What is going on, guys? Paul James here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $500 this week using Google Maps, and I'm going to break this down into 5 simple steps. You can see here several payments that I've gotten by implementing this strategy, and I'm going to break down exactly how you can do this from anywhere in the world. You can be a complete beginner because the way that I'm going to share with you how to do this, you can pretty much pick it up and learn how to do it just from watching this video. All right, so before we get into this, I need you to do 3 things for me. Number 1, before we get into this, comment on this video to let me know that you like this style of content so that I know to keep making more videos like this. Number 2, go follow me on Instagram at HelloPaulJames because I post there more frequently, so I don't want you to miss out on anything. And then step 3, visit the link in the description of this video once the video is over. All right, so with that being said, let's get into the 5 simple steps. I don't want to waste any time. Let's just break it down. Step number 1 is you're going to want to pick a niche and a location to target. So for example, I normally like to target things like service-based industries where people are like going out to the customer. So think about if you were a homeowner or if you are a homeowner, the types of services that you typically need people for. It might be things like carpet cleaning. It might be things like window washing, lawn mowing, painting, heating and air conditioning, plumbing, all those different things. So decide on one of them. I just did painter here. And then decide on a city and a location to target. Again, this works anywhere in the world, so you can definitely target something that's in your country or near you in your state, or you can target something that isn't near you. It doesn't really matter. It can be, you can be like in India and still target someone in the United States. That's not a problem at all. Okay, so that's step number 1. Step number 2 is we're going to identify a business in that niche and location that fits the criteria that we need to actually do this simple service. So the criteria is this. We're looking for the map pack. So that's how we're picking service-based businesses because they usually have map packs. That's this little pack right here where there's businesses and then there's a Google Map thing next to it. What you want to do is you want to click more businesses, and I'm going to show you what we're looking for. So we want to find people that do not have engaging Google business profiles. And what I mean by engaging is, it doesn't really do anything to convince someone to actually go in and reach out to the company. So different things that might make someone reach out are pictures added. So you can see like they have their logo, reviews added in there. They have a good reviews. So they have their services in there. Their website, this one doesn't have a website attached to it, but like this one does. So you're kind of looking for all those different things. And if you can find someone who has as many of those things missing as possible, they're going to be the best fit for this service that there can be. So this one, for example, Mark A. Schwante's Decorating, you can see that they're missing a lot of these things. They don't have photos, they don't have reviews. They do have some of their services and they do have a website, but they're really missing all the other crucial elements. So try and find someone that kind of hits that mark where they're missing a lot of these things, okay? Let me show you another example. If we go and do roofing Sheboygan, Wisconsin, and we scroll through and see if we can find another one here as an example. So this one has like some bad reviews. This could be one that maybe we want to reach out to. Also looks like they've got pictures of like haircuts on there. So there might be some kind of disconnect there. I just randomly found this one too. This isn't one that was really planned out or anything, but you can kind of see what we're looking for here. We're looking for someone that has inconsistencies and is really missing out on the key things that need to be done in order to create an engaging profile. So what we're going to do is we're going to reach out to these business owners and we're going to offer to basically complete their listings for them, which means we're going to add an optimized description. So you can see this one has no optimized description on it. Whereas if I go to like maybe one of these other ones, I don't know, maybe this one, I don't know if this one does. This one does. See, they have whether you're looking to build a custom home or remodeling, blah, 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 right? You can see that one has an optimized description. This one does not. There's nothing there. So what we're going to do is we're going to reach out and we're going to offer to do this for them for $500. We're going to add photos. We're going to add an optimized description, make sure their services are good. We might go in there and help them respond to reviews if they have bad reviews. Or come up with some sort of strategy there. Maybe we help link up their website. This is also another opportunity to maybe even sell them other things like sell them a website or whatever we need to do. Okay, so that's what we're doing. We're going to identify the perfect business that fits this criteria. But step 3 is how we're going to reach out to them. And I told you the service we're going to provide, but I want you to remember this saying in business, and that is that features tell and benefits sell. So the features of our service are all the things that we're going to do for them, add photos, add an optimized description, but that doesn't necessarily sell the business owner on what we're going to do. So instead, we're going to sell with benefits. We're going to reach out to customers reach out to these businesses and offer to help them increase the amount of customers they get from their Google Maps listing. So this is the key. Don't go to them and say, hey, we're going to add photos to your listing. We're going to like optimize the description. No, you're going to say, we're going to help you increase the amount of customers you get from your Maps listing. And this is some proof that I have because I've done this over and over and over again for people. You can see the conversions going up. They just start to skyrocket when you make these subtle changes. Okay, then step 4, pretty self-explanatory. You're going to close the deal. You're going to collect $500. Okay, now you can choose to use whatever you want to collect payment. Some good options are obviously PayPal. If they're in the area, you can get a check or cash. If you want to process credit card, Stripe is good. Square is good. Clover. So these are some different options to look into. I really prefer Stripe and PayPal are my kind of two go-tos. PayPal if I want to collect via PayPal. Stripe if I want to collect via credit card. Okay, and then step 5 is you're going to fulfill the service and complete their Google Business Profile. So that means you're going to go in, you're going to optimize their description. Okay, you're going to respond to the reviews or help them get a review strategy in place. You're going to add photos, you're going to add services and products, and you're going to complete that listing for them. Now, the cool part is that not only are they going to have a more engaging profile, they're going to get more customers from this, but doing this stuff is likely going to boost them up higher in the results, which means that not just are they going to get more customers from just having it, more engaging, but they're going to get more customers because they're going to have more visibility as well by it boosting up. And then that's where step 6 comes in. And this is optional, but we like to do this a lot. We get them on a recurring service to kind of keep them there. If they need more help getting more visibility or getting up in that results or staying there, we offer them a recurring service to help them out with that as well. So I know we kind of touched on a lot in this video very quickly because like I said, it's 5 simple steps. And if there's some gaps here that don't make sense to you, we do have a course that's live right now on an early bird special. Now this course normally sells for $497. I'm going to leave a link to the description of it right now because right now you can get in for under $30 if you go there right now and click the add to cart button. And what this course does is it outlines everything. You get done for you templates to reach out to the customer. So you're going to get the exact emails that I use to like go out there, the exact emails I use to close the deals. You're going to get the exact fulfillment strategy because this is the thing. I use AI to actually fulfill all of this stuff. So you don't have to really do much of the work yourself. You're going to let AI do all the fulfillment for you. So this is the overall strategy. You can go out there and implement it yourself. Or if you want to take the next step and like really multiply your results and get some help, get some done for you templates, definitely go and check out my new course. Right now, it's called the Maps Quick Client Formula. And again, I'm going to be selling this for $497, but today I have a special early bird going on for under $30. So go jump on it today before that price goes up. I'd hate to have you miss out on that. And I'll leave a link in the description of the video so that you can get in on this early bird special. But anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment. Make sure you subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram. And go pick up the Maps Quick Client Formula right now on the early bird special. Until next time, I'm Paul James. We'll see you in another video. Peace out.